In this video, you'll learn how to keep an existing course accurate and up to date by comparing it against your latest source material. Regulations change, policies get rewritten, and the course you built last year quietly goes out of date. You could ask an AI to just update it, but without knowing what's actually changed, it would guess. It might rewrite things that were already correct, miss the things that weren't, and you'd have no way to tell which was which. So CourseAgent does it the other way around. You give it your latest source material. It compares your course against that source page by page and tells you precisely where the two disagree, with citations. Let me show you. Using a GDPR course we built a while back. From your courses page, find the course you want to refresh and click the sparkles icon on the course card. From the menu, select Compare and Update. The dialog asks for the new material you want to compare against. You can drop in up to 5 documents, PDF, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, or text. In our case, an updated 2026 GDPR briefing PDF. You can add web URLs too, handy for a regulator's page or a published policy. And there's an optional Describe Your Sources box. A line like Latest GDPR Enforcement Update, January 2026, gives CourseAgent the context to judge what matters most. Click Analyze Sources. CourseAgent reads each source on its own. You then see the analysis before anything is compared. Each source is listed with its word count and a plain English note on why it's relevant to this course and whether it's actually relevant at all, so a stray file you uploaded by mistake gets flagged rather than silently muddying the comparison. When you're happy, click Compare Course. Now the actual comparison runs. CourseAgent doesn't compare everything at once. It walks through your course page by page, comparing page 1 of 7, page 2 of 7. So every finding is anchored to a specific place in your course. For each page it asks, what does the source say about this topic, and how does the course currently cover it? When it finishes, you get a single summary screen. In our GDPR example, several differences found, broken into 4 categories. Critical updates needed, in red, things that are now factually wrong, missing content gaps, in purple, topics in the source that your course doesn't cover at all. Terminology updates, in yellow, language that's been superseded. Minor clarifications, in green, small wording improvements. Every one of these has been written into your course as a comment on the exact page or section it relates to. Click View Course with Comments, and you land in the editor. On the Welcome page, there's a course level overview comment, your structural report covering topics from the source that aren't covered anywhere in the course. Each one ends with a recommendation, usually to consider creating a new page or section to cover it. Move to a content page and you'll see 2 kinds of comments. Page level comments sit at the top of the comments panel. Broader gaps that affect the whole page. Section level comments are anchored to a specific section. You'll see a purple gap chip on the section itself in the canvas and the matching comment in the panel on the right. Each comment is structured the same way. What's missing? A quote from the source document, a recommendation, the source citation, and a confidence rating. Nothing has been changed in your course. These are suggestions for you to act on. I'll quickly exit the course. From the sidebar, open comments. Every comment from every comparison lives here in one list, so you can work through findings as a checklist rather than hunting through pages. Click any comment and you jump straight to that section in the editor, ready to edit. Resolve the comment when you've handled it, and it drops off the open list. Work through them, in order, resolve as you go, and your course is up to date. CourseAgent, guided by instructional design principles, with you in control.